Welcome! The following training will show you how to use your ELAN Touch Panel or the ELAN 8 app to change your ELAN user interface theme. Note, if you're using the ELAN 8 app and your mobile device is in portrait orientation, your menu format and button locations may be slightly different from what you see in this video. Simply rotate your device to a landscape orientation to resemble the format shown in this video. Let's get started by accessing the main menu. To change a user interface theme, tap the Settings icon. Enter your master user login code. Then you'll want to tap Configure this station, and then tap Themes. You'll see a collection of themes on screen. From here you'll want to select your desired theme, and then either tap Apply to apply the theme to this device only, or tap Apply All to apply the selected theme to all of your ELAN system's devices. Note, if you see the words Live next to the theme's name, you know this particular theme has motion. As an example, if we apply Dreamy Live, we can see that the circles in this background slowly move around. If you look at your updated main menu screen, you'll notice the new theme's graphics, font, icon color, and menu style have been applied. There's many pre-built themes to choose from, but you can also create custom themes using your own graphics and photos. To learn how to create custom themes, view our theme creation and editing video. For additional questions regarding pre-built themes, contact your ELAN integration professional.